Hello everybody, my name is Nana Mansukani and I'm back. And this video, I think a lot of you are gonna love, is called Eat and Lose Weight. Ergo, no starving. You can actually eat some great food and lose weight. How exciting is that? So, before I actually get into it, I just want to let you know that all the stuff that I'm going to be talking about here, make sure you have consulted the doctor if you're diabetic or have high blood pressure, etc. This video is for people who don't have any of those ailments, and if you do, just consult with your doctor before you actually incorporate any of the things that I'm talking about, any of the food that I'm speaking about, and yeah, just be safe and be wary of allergies as well. Now, let's go into it, because this is very exciting. So this is what I did also myself, is I switched from tea or cappuccinos to black coffee. Yes, so let me just show you my killer cup of black coffee. It's like a gun, it's pretty cool. So now black coffee is actually really disgusting if you've never really had it before. It comes across really strong, but I've actually, it's more like an acquired taste. So now to get into black coffee, which I never did before in my life, I actually started putting a little bit of honey in it. So that can actually help you. In fact, drinking a cup of black coffee right before you go for your workout is actually amazing. So we're going to start with this first. So switch to black coffee. It's really worked for me. It's worked for a lot of my friends that I've given the diet to, actually. So you switch to black coffee, no milk at all. So goodbye cappuccino, bye bye tea, and you're sticking to black coffee. So that's one. Number two, what I actually eat to lose weight is really delicious, is Quaker Oats. Now, I absolutely love oats. I never have it with milk, so a part of this is to have oats with water, and instead of putting like sugar or something sweet in it, I put a little bit of salt, very reduced salt content also. Now also, this might actually be an acquired taste for a lot of people, but if you roast it, so like when you put oats on a hot pan, you just kind of roast it a little bit and then pour the water in, you can actually have that beautiful smell, and it's incredible. And then you add a little bit of salt, and it's actually just delicious. I don't like boring food myself, so everything I'm telling you is actually going to be tasty. You don't have to feel like, oh my god, this is shit and I'm not eating crap and losing weight. So this is actually some really, really good food, and I can even, maybe in the next couple of videos, I can show you some recipes. I'm actually catastrophic in the kitchen. There's just a limited bunch of things that I know how to cook, and I can share that with you. My greatest weakness in life is crisps, like especially the chili banana ones or Lay's, etc. And that's, I have to use a lot of resistance for that. So what I've actually now switched to is rice cakes. These are amazing. When you're hungry in the middle of the day, you have some rice, Skippy peanut butter. That's Skippy. Delicious, and make sure it's crunchy. Like, I love crunchy Skippy peanut butter. It's absolutely delicious. It's really delightful to eat, and I just, like, you know, have like 3 or 4 pieces. It's filling, it's lovely. You actually enjoy it. It's tasty. I mean, I like it, and if people have recommended to, they also enjoy eating it. So that's another thing you can have for snacks. So your breakfast is oats. What you can have with oats is fruits, you know, like kiwi, berries. Berries are so delicious, and they're really great. They're anti-aging, great to lose weight, really amazing. You should have them. Great for the skin as well. So you got all that going for you, because I've seen like a lot of people go on diets, and then they either have like breakouts, or they're losing weight and actually hating the process. So this is some stuff that you can do that you can actually enjoy. You know, I just feel like being healthy should be more like a lifestyle. It shouldn't be like a diet that you do, you know, just to lose weight. You should kind of make it like a part of your lifestyle. Like, it has to be natural for you. This is what I believe. So you got a little bit of your breakfast, and if you eat like, you know, eggs, you can have some boiled eggs, not scrambled, not omelets, just boiled eggs, hot or medium. I obviously avoid yolk, and what I do is I put a bit of pepper, very little salt, more pepper, because pepper is nice. You know, salt sometimes can get you to bloat, so I avoid salt as much as I can. Now, the next thing, having like your eggs, you can also add a bit of flex seeds in it. They're really great. Let's talk about lunch. For your lunch, what you can normally have is a little bit of brown rice. You can have a side salad. You can put a little bit of feta cheese in your salad. It's so yummy. You can have some feta cheese. You can have quinoa. You can have, steamed fish. Ooh, if you're vegetarian, you can have chickpeas. So you can mix it up a bit. So that's your lunch. And there's a lot more that you can eat, but I'm gonna try to keep this video short. So this is a basic idea of what you can have for lunch. And then let's move to dinner. So dinner is also something like, it can be a salad, but you can make sure that you make it an exciting salad. Don't be boring. Don't just eat leaves and stuff. So you can have some kale, but you can also add some egg white to it. You can add some pepper, lemon. You can have some asparagus, you can have some broccoli, you can have some chickpea in there, you can have pieces of chicken if you're eating meat, you can have lamb chops for dinner. You can do that sometimes, occasionally. And if you do this like 5 days a week, on a weekend, you can have like a little cheat day. I believe in that. I eat brownies. I stuff my face when I want to. I actually love the freedom of eating whatever it is that I want. It just, lucky for me, happen to like the stuff I'm actually discussing with you because it's delicious and it's not something that's imposed on me. The other snack that you can have in the course of your day, because you've got your 3 defined meals, and the other things you can have a snack are like berries. You can just like snack on berries. You can have what I truly enjoy is almonds, like roasted almonds. Try not to have it very salted. You can have a bit of peanuts. Avoid cashews because that's actually fattening. Also, the other thing you should completely avoid if you're looking to lose weight is alcohol, because it's got a high content of calories and sugar in it. And you don't need me to tell you that. You probably know it by now. So you want to avoid that. And once you've lost your weight and you actually in pretty much the shape you want to be in, then it's just about maintaining. And that's where you can have your cheat meals. You can have some fun with your food. I drink a lot of orange juice. I think that contributes to me also being fit, because vitamin C is amazing. You should definitely take vitamin C supplements. It's like the fountain of youth and it's great for your immunity, especially with what's going around in the world right now. You want to have great immunity, so make sure you get your supplements. However, supplements are not substitute for your food, so you've got to be making sure that you're eating right. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have any questions, let me know. Obviously, my diet plans that I actually give out to people are more detailed and very structured. But this is a basic idea of what you can eat and actually lose weight. And another thing I snack on is popcorns. I actually feel that popcorn is not that fattening, so it's like a nice snack that you can have. Obviously, don't make sure it's not buttered. If it's heavily buttered, you're just defeating the point. So you can have a bit of popcorn as well. So if you can actually enjoy the process of losing your weight. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're eating and losing weight. I mean, how cool is that? Eat and lose weight. Very exciting. Keep me in mind when you're eating all that delicious food and feeling like, yes, I got this. You can also have soup. I forgot soup. You can have like soup in the middle of the day. I normally, when I was first thinking about getting completely fit and I wanted my abs and I wanted that great definition, I cut off bread completely, even brown bread. I just completely got rid of it. Now, people's bodies are different. I know all my friends that have gone on my diets, they've actually lost a huge amount of weight. So that means they've done all this and more, because I've actually structured it for them. Now, every body is different. So I feel like what may suit me may not necessarily suit you. So a lot of people do like water fasting and intermittent fasting and all kinds of fasting. And for me, starving myself just doesn't work for me. I rather, have like 3 main meals and then a couple of things in the middle, because I feel like that accelerates my metabolism and that's a better way for me to lose weight. I don't believe in being miserable when I want to get fit. So I hope that this has helped you and that you're gonna be getting your best body ever, and you could enjoy doing that. This is all about having fun with losing weight. Make it a lifestyle, don't make it a drag. And remember me when you're looking all fit and great and you feel good about yourself. So This actually video was made as a part of my relationship series. Why? Because I think the best way to have a relationship with anybody is to improve your relationship with yourself. And if you respect and value yourself, you're going to choose what you eat and not just stuff garbage down your throat. You know, so keep that in mind the next time you're tempted to eat trash. But I'm not saying that you shouldn't have fun in your life. Like, keep it controlled. As long as you do it in moderation, I suppose it's okay. But only after you've received your ideal weight. So I would love some feedback. Share it with your friends, share it with your family and acquaintances, and like and subscribe. And see you soon. Love you. See ya.